Today's experiment is crystallization. I will dump this whole salt into the hot water, and then I will mix it and then put the string in, and then tomorrow we will check if there is salt crystals on the string. We'll check tomorrow. This is day 1. This is day 2. See the salt crystals? It has been 1 week. See these salt crystals? It has grown a lot. It's even growing on the tape. And the clothespin. I saw some salt crystals growing up. Let me explain what happened. So when the hot water was there, the salt got dissolved. But then once the water cooled, then the salt came back and then formed salt crystals.